Hi, today I'll teach you how to clean a pool. The resources we will need are one or more pool nets, a pool sweep, a pool vacuum if you have one, and a trash can or designated area. Step 1. Get dressed with little to no cotton. You may get wet and cotton does not like to dry. Step 2. Get the pool net, placing one hand under and the other hand at the top. Step 3. Slowly push the net in the water and forward to a pile of leaves. Then scoop up leaves by pushing forward with more force. Step 4. Lift the net by pushing it on the edge of the pool or lifting it up with a root rake. Step 5. Go to your designated area or the trash can, flip the net over, and dump out all the leaves. If you have a tag on your net, use it to shake out all the leaves. Step 6. You're going to repeat all the steps 2 through 5 until the pool is mostly clean. Step 7. Turn on a pool vacuum if you have one. It can clean for you. Step 8. Grab the pool sweep like a normal sweep, then rotate it so the brush is facing downwards. Then, push up and down all around the pool edge. Go all the way down to the bottom of the pool. Make sure you get the whole pool. The pool should now be clean. Please don't forget to turn off your vacuum.